This procedure video will take you through the correct techniques of hand washing. Split into two sections, it will first take you through how to wash your hands with soap and water, and then how to wash your hands with an alcohol. This may seem a very simple OSCE station. Previous candidates who have undertaken this in the exam have commented that many failed when they would have expected to pass the station. This video will take you through in a step-by-step manner the recommendations made by the National Patient Safety Agency in the Clean Your Hands campaign.
We're now going to go over the technique for hand washing with soap and water. We start by wetting the hands with water and then applying enough soap to cover the surfaces of both hands. And we rub hands to begin with, palm to palm. We then rub the backs of the hands, interlacing the fingers, and swap over and do the other hand. We then turn the hands palm to palm, interlacing the fingers and rubbing the hands. The next stage is to bend the hands one into the other and rub the fingers, interlacing the fingers as we do so. From there we move to the thumb and we swivel, rubbing the thumb in the palm of the other hand. We then move to the fingertips and rub the tips of the fingers in the palm of the hand. And same with the other hand. And then the final stage is we bring the soap down to the wrist and rub the wrist. Once that's done, we rinse off the soap with water, turning off the tap with the elbow, and then dry the hands with a single use towel. We're now going to go over the proper technique for cleaning the hands with an alcohol-based hand rub. We start by applying a small quantity of the rub, about 3 ml, to the palm of the hands and rub it across the surfaces of the hands. We then proceed to rub the hands palm to palm, followed by rubbing the back of one hand with the palm of another, interlacing the fingers. We swap over and do the same thing with the other hand, and then back to palm, interlacing the fingers again so that the fingers are cleaned between each finger. The next stage is we cup the hands one into another and rub the gel between the fingers, again interlacing the fingers as we do so. The next stage is the thumb. To do that, we swivel one thumb within the palm of the other hand and swap over and do the same thing with the other thumb. The next stage is the fingertips, and we rub the fingertips of one hand in the palm of another and swap over and do the same thing in the other hand. And the final stage is the wrist, and we rub the hand rub around the wrist with the other hand. And once we've done that, the process is complete.